So we have a marshmallow. We're going to see what happens when you put a marshmallow under vacuum. So there's a vacuum pump and the chamber that we're going to use. Marshmallow's going inside of the chamber. So we're going to turn on the pump. So you can see the marshmallow's getting bigger. There's air dispersed inside of the marshmallow. And we know from the ideal gas law, right, PV equals nRT, PV equals PV. So when you decrease the pressure, you're going to increase the volume of the gas. So if we go ahead and release the pressure, right. Now I've put the vacuum back on. Second time around, it is expanding still, but the marshmallow is sort of losing its structural integrity. So taking the marshmallow out of the vacuum chamber after those 2 cycles, you can see it's totally collapsed. Still edible though. Okay, let's see what happens if we light the marshmallow on fire. This isn't your typical campfire. We're just going to use some ethanol in it, or maybe this is your typical campfire. I don't know. Okay, so that's burning nicely. We're going to get a nice charred marshmallow. Now we're going to apply vacuum. So now we have an expanding burnt marshmallow. And you can see, of course, as soon as we put the lid on and apply vacuum, well, we shut off the source of oxygen, so we put out the fire. Collapsing it, releasing the vacuum. There you have it, charred and vacuumed marshmallow.